Have you ever been on Instagram and you watch a really cool cinematic reel and you wondered, how do you do that? Because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to create engaging and pretty awesome Instagram reels, all while using it in Filmora. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm opening Filmora right now and I'm going to show you how to do that three stacks that you see all across of Instagram, and it looks pretty cool in my opinion. So let me show you how do you do it. So obviously you want to select 3 clips, but try not to select clips that move in the same direction all the time. So maybe one clip that moves to the side, then one clip that zooms in, something like that. Okay, so once you have your clips here, you just set the aspect ratio to portrait and then they will pop up like this. So let's select one other one. We're gonna select this one that goes up. Okay, and then when you drag it in, because it's horizontal, it's gonna change the whole thing. So you just simply change it again to portrait. There you go. Now all 3 of your clips is there. So here's the import. Firstly, what you want to do is you want to just adjust them so that they fill the whole screen, so that there's no black spots, if you know what I mean, black lines in between them, like that. Okay, so there you have it. So now when I press play, here you have 3 different types of videos. Now you can obviously adjust them so that they are all smooth, like so. There you go. So the coolest thing about this, as you guys can see, every clip is moving in a different direction, which makes it way more cooler. So once you have that, simply what you want to do is you want to go to effects, and then you want to search for teal and orange, and then Lumo. Now you can obviously select different type of effects depending on what color your landscape is. If your landscape is more green, you're obviously gonna use other effects. So let's just put the Lumo here at the top. Wait, let me just, there you go. Put the Lumo here at the top, and then put the teal and orange just above that. And there you have it. Now you just drag it so that it's on your entire timeline. Boom, and there you have it. Now as you guys can see, some of these clips are a bit dark, so you want to go to Lumo, double press it, and just make the opacity a bit less, maybe like so, and then there you have it. Now that is a pretty cool story or Instagram reel or whatever you would like to post it. Okay, so now another important thing that you might know about Instagram is use trending sounds, because this obviously reaches a bigger audience because it's more popular and all of those things combined. Okay, then you just simply import your music. Boom, put it under there. Okay, so you see what happened there when I imported the video? It went horizontal again, so you just simply change the aspect ratio again to portrait, say okay, boom, and then it's back. So don't stress if you put something in and it all of the sudden looks different. So then you just put your music under it, and there you have it. This is how it looks.